Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to denoise sound in Davinci Resolve 18. So to do that, it's pretty simple. All you have to do is actually go get your audio recording that you want to choose and drag it here in your tab. Here, just place it on A1 to make an example, and then here all you have to do is Fairlight here in the bottom corner of your screen. Just go to that music tab, which is Fairlight. And then all you have to do from there is actually go and select your recording. From there, just select A1. As you can see, it corresponds to A1 here in the right side in the mixer. And all you have to do is press the noise reduction button. But here in the free version of Davinci Resolve, you don't have it. So here, it will be located right here in this dial left right here. So there you go guys, that's how you do it. So here, you have to purchase your Davinci Resolve to be even using your denoise or your noise reduction. So it's just that simple actually to do this, and there you go guys. So if this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.